Who says you have to give up pizza on a keto diet? Today, we're making a delicious low-carb keto pizza that's so good, you won't even miss the original. Let's get started. Hey everyone, welcome back to our kitchen. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more tasty keto-friendly recipes. Today, we're making a mouth-watering keto pizza that's easy to prepare and perfect for any meal. Here's what you'll need. For the crust, you'll need 1.5 cups of shredded mozzarella cheese, 2 tablespoons of cream cheese, 3/4 cup of almond flour, and 1 large egg. For the toppings, we're keeping it classic with 1/2 cup of low-carb pizza sauce, 1 cup of shredded mozzarella, 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, and your choice of toppings. Today, I'm using pepperoni and fresh basil. Let's start by making the crust. In a microwave-safe bowl, combine the shredded mozzarella and cream cheese. Microwave this for about 1 minute, stirring halfway through until it's completely melted and smooth. Now, mix in the almond flour and egg. This will create a dough. You can use your hands or a spatula to knead it until it's well combined. Roll the dough between 2 sheets of parchment paper until it's about 1/4 inch thick. Transfer the parchment with the dough onto a baking sheet. Then bake the crust in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius, for about 8-10 minutes or until it's golden brown. This step ensures a crispy base for your pizza. Now that our crust is ready, it's time to add the toppings. Start with a layer of your low-carb pizza sauce, followed by the shredded mozzarella. Then, add your favorite toppings. I'm using pepperoni today, but feel free to get creative with your favorites. Pop your pizza back in the oven for another 8-10 minutes or until the cheese is bubbly and golden. And there you have it, a delicious keto pizza that's perfect for satisfying those pizza cravings without breaking your diet. Let's slice it up. Look at that, crispy crust, gooey cheese, and all the flavors you love. Trust me, you won't even miss the carbs. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more keto-friendly dishes. Comment below with your favorite pizza toppings, and I'll see you in the next video.